Welcome to Tool Mentorship. If you're passionate about woodworking or just getting started, you know the value of having the right tools in your workshop. Today, we're here to help you take your projects to the next level by reviewing the best benchtop planers available on Amazon. Whether you're crafting custom furniture, building cabinets, or just working on hobby projects, a high-quality benchtop planer can transform rough, uneven wood into smooth, professional-grade material. In this video, we'll be covering 4 exceptional options: the DeWalt 13 3-amp, the Craftsman electric benchtop thickness planer 15-amp, the Makita 2012 MB12 portable planer, and the Wen 12.5 15-amp 2-blade thickness planer. We'll go deep into their key features, performance, pros and cons, so you can make an informed decision and find the perfect tool for your needs. And here's the best part: all the products we discussed today are linked in the description box and pinned comment. Click on those links to get more details, check the latest prices, or make your purchase. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tool review or woodworking tip. Let's dive in and find the best benchtop planer for your workshop. DeWalt 13 3K. Knife. 2-thickness planer. The DeWalt 13 3K knife 2-thickness planer is one of the most popular and highly rated options for a reason. It features a robust 15-amp motor, capable of handling even the toughest hardwoods, making it a go-to choice for professionals and serious hobbyists alike. Its standout feature is the 3-knife cutter head, which delivers exceptionally smooth finishes and extends knife life by up to 30% compared to 2-knife models. The 2-speed gearbox allows you to customize the feed rate for optimal performance based on your project, whether you're prioritizing speed or finish quality. Additionally, the built-in fan-assisted chip ejection system efficiently removes wood chips, keeping your workshops clean and reducing the risk of jams. With a maximum cut depth of 1/8 inch and a capacity of 6 inches by 13 inches, this planer can tackle a variety of wood sizes with ease. Its sturdy construction minimizes snipe, while the adjustable in-feed and out-feed tables provide additional stability during operation. If you're looking for precision, power, and durability, the DeWalt 13 planer is hard to beat. Craftsman electric benchtop thickness planer, 15-amp. For woodworkers looking for reliability without breaking the bank, the Craftsman electric benchtop thickness planer is an excellent choice. Powered by a 15-amp motor, this planer delivers consistent performance and is designed to handle both soft and hardwoods. It features 2 reversible steel knives, ensuring sharp, clean cuts while extending the blade life. The planer offers a smooth finish with minimal snipe, thanks to its precision-machined cutter head and sturdy design. It also includes large side-mount handles for portability, making it easy to move around your workshop. The depth adjustment gauge is user-friendly, allowing you to achieve precise thickness with every pass. While it may not have all the advanced features of higher-end models, the Craftsman planer is a reliable and affordable tool for hobbyists and small-scale woodworkers. If you're just starting or working on occasional projects, this one could be perfect for you, Anna. Makita 2012 NB12 portable planer. The Makita 2012 NB12 portable planer is a fantastic option for woodworkers who need a lightweight, portable yet powerful machine. Despite its compact design, this planer packs a punch with a 15-amp motor and delivers smooth, precise finishes on a variety of wood types. One of its standout features is its noise reduction technology, operating at a quieter level compared to most planers in its class. This makes it an excellent choice for smaller workshops or shared spaces. The Makita 2012 NB also boasts a 4-post design with diagonal cross supports, ensuring stability and reducing the likelihood of snipe. The adjustable depth stop and intuitive controls make it easy to achieve consistent results, while the double-edged blades are reversible for extended life. Whether you're a professional looking for a portable solution or a hobbyist with limited space, the Makita 2012 NB is worth considering. Literary. When 12.5, 15 amp, 2.5 amp. When 12.5, 15 amp, 2.5 amp. It's a budget-friendly option that doesn't compromise on quality. Powered by a 15 amp motor, this planer generates up to 1,800 zero cuts per minute, ensuring a smooth and even finish on your wood pieces. Its granite tabletop provides a sturdy, flat surface that prevents warping and ensures precise cuts every time. The two-blade cutter head is reversible for longer life and greater efficiency. With a maximum cut depth of 1/8 inch, and a width capacity of 12.5 inches, it's capable of handling a wide range of projects. This planer is lightweight, easy to move, and includes a dust port adapter for improved chip management. If you're looking for an affordable, user-friendly option with reliable performance, the Wen planer is a solid choice for hobbyists and DIYers alike. Thank you for tuning in to Tool Mentorship. We hope this in-depth review of the best benchtop planers has helped you find the perfect addition to your workshop. Whether you're leaning toward the precision of the DeWalt 13 planer, the affordability of the Craftsman thickness planer, the portability of the Makita 2012 NB, or the value-packed Wen thickness planer, there's a great option here for everyone. Don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for the product links to grab your favorite benchtop planer today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest reviews and woodworking tips. Let us know in the comments which planer caught your eye or if you have any questions. Happy woodworking, and we'll see you in the next video.